You know we have a doorbell, right?
You don't appear to be in distress.
Yeah, well, I just broke my microwave. Wasting food during food rationing is pretty tragic.
I'm going to exempt your family from rationing.
Don't do that. We don't deserve to be above everybody else.
I need you to accept that you do. You have unique gifts that require unique responsibilities, so unique perks are appropriate.
Look, my dad would never... Why are you here?
The surveillance system crashed.
That's because I crashed it. It's creepy anyway, you watching me all the time.
Okay, all right. Forget surveillance. Where's Anissa?
She's in the shower. You want to watch her too?
There is a video from your parents on this. They wanted you to have it, and so do I.
Why?
This is not fair, but it's necessary. So I want you to know we're on the same side. If you need anything at all, you can reach me on that phone anytime, day or night.
Hey.
Hi, sweeties.
We're all right, okay? Perfectly fine.
We're just here as a precaution. We'll be home soon, okay? We miss you.